Okay, you guys asked how to do my sticky rice. It's super easy. So the best thing is to let your rice soak for at least 30 minutes. A couple hours is better. So I've got 2 cups of rice to 3.5 cups water, and that's gonna soak 30 minutes, 2 hours, whatever you got time for. Then you're gonna add salt. You're gonna turn the heat up to high and let the water boil. Then once it's boiling, turn it down to medium or medium low, depending on how high your medium is. Cover it and wait 10 minutes. Set the timer 10 minutes. Do not stir in between. Just let it be. And then, there you go. Your rice is done. Now, to mold it, super duper easy. So you're just gonna put the rice in your mold of choice. I picked the fluted square mold tonight, but it's so easy, you guys. You could do individual servings, whatever, you name it. But you can see this rice is kind of sticky. It does not matter the type of rice. I have a little blend here going on. Then I'm gonna take a Bond mat and press it into the mold. Now with the fluted square, I really like the square Bond mat because it's gonna completely cover it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is press it in as tight as I can to the mold. And you can see it's super hot. So now I'm just gonna leave that sit until we're ready to serve the rest of our meal, and then we'll unmold it and show you the shape that it's taken. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to unmold this now. So this has only been sitting for about 10 minutes. You could let it sit for an hour if you'd like, whatever works. So then we're gonna put our bamboo square server on top, flip it over, and then I wanna show you this beautiful presentation that we have. Look at that, isn't that wonderful? Okay, so now you can serve it just as is, or you can drizzle a little bit of, this is a homemade teriyaki sauce. I'm gonna tell you guys, I know you can use a store-bought teriyaki sauce, but this recipe is not only way healthier, but super delicious because it has our French pantry lavender honey in it. So, bon appetit.